welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create mind maps with Miro AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create mind maps with Miro AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Miro. Once you're in your Miro, to create your maps with Miro AI, you need to create with AI. You need to simply use this feature on your board. You need to then select mind map and describe your topic in prompt. Example, Prana product launch, and the AI will generate the structure. You can then expand it with more ideas or details using the AI's context menu on any node to refine your visual map on the infinite canvas. So if you're going to do this, then you can simply create a mind map with your Miro AI. You need to be very precise about the prompt, and you can build out complex ideas on Miro's infinite canvas, adding sticky notes, images, or documents as needed. You can also use it as a living workspace as it is designed for teams to brainstorm and develop strategies visually. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.